Get your unit's fire knowledge growing as you learn to build a cooking campfire. Cooking on a campfire is all about radiant heat rather than flames, and the best way to get that is with coals. So start by laying a grid of thick bits of wood in the bottom of your pit. Then add a layer above, in the opposite direction with slightly slimmer timber. Create a few more layers with progressively thinner fuel. Now add some newspaper or fire starters in the middle at the top of your stack and let the burning begin. You'll see the fire starting well with all that oxygen drawn up the stack. Then as it burns, it will collapse in on itself, giving you plenty of coals to work with. And there you go, ready-made coals created consciously for cooking.